Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the system. Create a system restore point because undo is your safety net. Once done, open Regedit and export the affected hive to a reg file. This preserves exact keys. Make sure you run Regedit as an administrator. Without elevated rights, you cannot write protected keys. Also enable the built-in admin account if permissions fail, since that account bypasses common ACL issues. These steps ensure you can revert and have the privileges needed for direct fixes. You now locate the offending keys using Regedit's find. Search the exact name shown in error logs. Once located, export that single key, then either correct the value data or delete orphaned entries that reference missing files. If access is denied, change ownership and reset permissions via advanced security settings, granting administrators full control. After edits, run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair linked system files. This ensures the registry edit corresponds with intact binaries and services. Finish by rebooting and verifying the service or app behavior because many registry changes only take effect after restart. If a service blocked edits, reboot to safe mode and reapply the corrected. Reg, once done, reboot normally. If changes fail or Windows won't boot, use a Windows recovery command prompt, load a locked hive in Regedit and import your saved. Reg to overwrite damaged keys. One key troubleshooting tip. Loading hives from recovery lets you repair locked system keys without running Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.